New filings in the murder case against Andrew McGann. He's the man accused of killing Kristen and Clinton Brink at Devil's Den State Park last summer.
Defense attorneys for Andrew McGann allege the prosecutor violated a gag order. It's an allegation that the prosecutor denies. 5 News reporter Emily Moss has the latest.
Do I think that's a direct violation of the order? No. Do I think it is a violation of the spirit of the order? I would say yes.
New filings in the McGann case focus on 2 specific videos from Prosecutor Brandon Carter. In a campaign ad for Carter's run for the Court of Appeals, McGann's booking photo appears while Carter says he is taking criminals, quote, off the streets.
Dangerous criminals off our streets.
The other video shows Carter presenting publicly about major cases in his office, including McGann's, though he does say he cannot comment on the case.
This guy's name is Andrew McGann. This is the Devil's Den case. Essentially, I'm not allowed to say anything that relates to the facts of the case. I'm not allowed to speculate on its guilt or method of innocence. Really, all I can do is talk about logistics.
Now, McGann's attorneys argue these public references could sway potential future jurors, and they are asking the death penalty be removed from the case out of concerns of a prejudiced jury. Carter responded in filing saying he did not discuss evidence, its weight, or McGann's guilt in these videos. Adam Rose, an unaffiliated criminal attorney, says these gag orders exist to protect the jury pool and ensure impartiality.
Parties involved in a case are limited to what they can and cannot say about a case. The reason being is it allows for transparency and fairness when in regards to a jury pool.
He adds that in this circumstance, the answer is not clear-cut whether Carter violated the order.
I think just having the photo up there and saying these people were quote-unquote murdered, I think it's tricky because that is public information and he's not necessarily talking about the weight of the evidence. Do I think it's a black and white violation? No.
The filings request that the court consider the cumulative impact when deciding how to proceed, asking the judge to remove the death penalty as a result. Carter, in his response, says removing the death penalty is unnecessary, instead arguing that the proper remedy, if there is a concern about juror bias, would be a change of venue or careful jury selection to ensure a fair trial.
This case has gotten so much national news attention as well. So is moving it out of Washington County or the state of Arkansas going to do much? I think in regards to these political ads, maybe. I do think she is going to make it very, very clear that any mention of this case in the public by anybody will be met with some stern words and potential ramifications by the court.